Yeah, boom, 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 boom. You are here, you are welcome. Right here, right now, and I'll be sharing with you the powerful tools you will need to start your coaching business. I want to show you how to make money from coaching business with specific tools needed that you need to get started. So, if you are trying to make money online or you have been looking for a business model you can start to make money online, I'm so happy that you are going to get the solution right in this video, and I'm not going to hide anything for you because it is straightforward. Yes, it is straightforward and you don't need to complicate anything. All you need to do is to get started with this with the information on this video and start making money. Now I'll be sharing with you how to make money from coaching business with tools needed. If you have been looking for a way to make money online, so I'm glad to let you understand that stop searching, stop looking here and there, and start focusing on doing one thing. And that one thing I want you to do is to start coaching business, is to start coaching people online. There are a lot of money to be made, and there are a lot of successful coaches in the world that have made millions, millions upon millions of dollars coaching people, teaching people, training people, and your own is not going to be an exception because you can actually do it. And what do you need to start coaching business? It is very simple. What you need to do is that you need to sell something people will buy. You need to sell something people will buy. Yes, and you don't necessarily need to create a physical product. You can start by training people, you can start by teaching people, you can start by educating people, you can enter into knowledge business and come out with a lot of money because you can do it. You have the knowledge, you have the skills, you have the passion, you have the capability, you have the talent. Yes, all you need to do is to show up. You only need to show up. Yes, what you are going to do is that you have to sell something people will buy. You have to sell something people will buy. There are a lot of people out there who are looking for a way to improve their business. There are a lot of people out there who are looking for a way to lose weight. There are a lot of people out there who are looking for solution on parenting. They are looking for how to make more money, how to improve their finances, how to increase their credit score. There are there are people looking for training on fitness. There are people looking for training on social media marketing. There are people looking for even how to start a coaching business. So there are a lot of issues. There are a lot of topics. There are a lot of problems that you can start creating solution for, and before you know, you discover that there are a lot of people out there who are looking for all these things we are talking about. All you need to do is to get started and start creating what people will buy from you. Yes, making money is by creating or offering what people will buy from you, because you don't make money when you don't offer service. You don't make money when you don't offer products. Money is a medium of exchange. Yes, money is a medium of exchange. It means you exchange something valuable in exchange for money. Yes, if you want to make money, you have to do something that will make the other party give you money, either by selling or by offering service. So right now, what you need to do is to sell something people will buy. And I've given you some examples of what people will buy from you. So it could be physical product, it could be digital product, but for the purpose of this video, we are going to be talking about coaching business, how to start a coaching business. The first thing that you need to do is to look into what you can do. Don't look into your weakness this time around. Look into your strength. Look into your ability, your capability, your talent, your skills, your experience, your knowledge. You may not know that you have a specialized knowledge that a lot of people out there are looking forward to learn. Yes, So you can teach people what you have learned. You can teach people from your experience. You can teach them from your vocation, from some of the topics that you learn in higher institution or in your college. So there are people out there who want to learn more. They want to be educated. They are looking for self-improvement. They are looking for financial education. They are looking for health education, how they can live a healthier and happier life. They are looking for a way to improve. They are looking for solution to some area of their life, and they are looking for the experts. And you can be that expert if you actually follow this video and take action. So what you need to do is to think of the easiest way you can reach out to people by first of all identify what you can do for them. Are you an expert? Are you a fitness expert? Are you a medical doctor? Are you an accountant, or are you a lawyer, a barrister? Yes. Some of these areas, so assuming you are a lawyer, you can advise people on how to buy a genuine land. You can advise people on how to get certificate of occupancy for their landed properties. You can advise people on how to buy a genuine property. If you are a medical doctor, you can be giving people, you can coach people on how to improve their health. You can coach them on how to eliminate the effect of diabetes, on how to alleviate the problem of hypertension. You can coach people on the kind of healthy diet that they need to eat. So some of these things, depending on your profession, depending on your area of specialization, there are things that you can teach people, there are things that you can show people, there are ways that you can transform people's life, and there are ways that you can educate people, and you will get paid for some of these things I'm talking about. So the fastest way is just to look into what you can do. What are you good at? What are your area of specialization? What are your academic qualification? What do you know? What can you do? How can you help people? How can you provide solution to people? And once you do that, you now get started by doing what? You can get started, choose paper to get paid. People will definitely pay for any valuable information. People will definitely pay for any valuable information, any valuable courses. Yes, and they will pay for the coach. Somebody wanted to take them by the hand and show them how to do one thing or the other. People are ready to pay. And the moment you position yourself as a coach, a professional, an expert, you should be ready to attract clients because they are ready to pay for what you know. Now all you need to do is to just start your coaching business. You can get paid by using paper. So you can get paid by using paper. All you need to do is to sign up with paper, just like we have it here. So paper is free. You can just come here, sign up, enter your details, everything, and boom. All you need to do to receive payment with paper is just your email. Now this is it. Set up your email address, your mobile number, everything. Put everything there. Set up your paper. Paper is free. So enter the details and everything, and boom, you go back to the paper and log in. Log in and just need to pick your email. You only need your paper email address to receive payment from another person. So once you do that, you are good to go. You are good to go. You are good to go. You've been able to have a platform that will help you receive your payment. The second thing that I need to do is to use Calendly, because I told you at the beginning of the training that I'm going to share 3 tools that you need to set up your coaching business. So the next thing you can see to use Calendly. Calendly is also free. You can try all features free for the next 40 days. And if you want to choose basic package, you don't need to pay anybody because it is completely free, totally free. You can see $0. This Calendly, what it will do for you is that the Calendly will help you to get people book for your coaching. Yes, it will get people to book for your coaching. You can use it to schedule the event with people. You can use it to allow your invitee to schedule individual slots, automatically distribute meetings to your team based on availability, enable your invitee to schedule a time with multiple team members at once. So this is what you are going to use for people to book for your coaching. So just like you want them to book for your appointment, you can see the best automated scheduling software for you and everyone you meet. So this is what you are going to be using. And the next tool I'll talk about right now is the Zoom, the almighty Zoom. So this is Zoom. It is free, you can see. So some of the tools I'm sharing with you, you can start with free plan. So by the time you begin to make money from your business, you then upgrade and choose the paid plan. But at the beginning, you don't need to choose the paid plan at the beginning. You can start with free plan and improve on your business. So what you are going to use Zoom for is to do the coaching. You can see with video off, with video on. You can see join the meeting. You are trying to host. You can see you can share your screen share only. You want your mentee or your students to see your video, or you want to share their screen. You just want to share your own screen, or you want to have a video off. It depends on what you choose. All you need to do is just to sign up with Zoom. Zoom will give you the opportunity to do your coaching. You can see you can host up to 100 participants, 40-minute maximum group meetings, and unlimited one-on-one meetings. So you can use Zoom to do one-on-one. You see your participants, you start your coaching, and you offer quality service. You offer quality service and you get paid for doing that. So those are the three things. I don't want this video to be too long. So quickly, let's go back. Okay, so the topic is how to make money from coaching business with tools needed. And the first tool is the PayPal. The PayPal is free. You can sign up for free and use it to get paid. So people across the world can send payment to you using PayPal. All you need to do is to give them your PayPal email. So the next thing that you are going to need is Calendly. Calendly is what people will use to book for your appointment, to book for your coaching, and then boom, you are good to go. This one is for booking. This one is to receive payments. While this one is to coach. It's to coach people. So these are the three basic tools that you need to start your coaching business. These are the basic tools that you need. So the next thing that you need is to believe in yourself, get out there, connect with people who need your help. Keep booking, keep making money, get testimonials and social proof, get better at coaching, raise your rate. This is literally the basis that became a lot of people, a lot of coaches, that this is the basis that become their 6-figure business model. Yes, this is what actually these are some of the things they use to start making 6-figure income from their coaching business. So you have to find a way to provide value somehow. If you can't do this, nothing entitle you to other people's money. Yes, If you cannot render quality service, you cannot educate people, you cannot inspire people, you cannot motivate people, you cannot educate people, you cannot teach people from what you know, nothing entitle you to their money. There is no how people can give you money without doing anything for them in exchange. So that is why you need to show people the value, show them the benefit of your product and service, and they will buy or join your business definitely. So this is going to be the end of this video, and I advise you to watch my other valuable videos. If you are new in this channel, please, I also advise you to click on subscribe button, hit the bell notification, so that whenever we create a very fantastic video like this, you will not miss it. Thank you.